In this video we are going to see some other C program videos, C programs. First of all, we are going to see this is actually a game where the computer picks number of match. There is a total number of match of 21 matches in the box. The rules of the game is you can pick 1 to 4 matches at a time, and if you pick one time, then it's a computer's turn. So you can pick from 1 to 4 matches at a time, and if the 20 matches are picked and you are want to pick the last match, then you lose the game. For example, let's give 4 and the computer has picked 1, so the number of matches left is 16, and if you give 3, the number of matches left is 13, and the computer is picked up 2 and 4, and out of which computer picked 3, the number of match left is 1, so we lost the game. So if we try again, number of matches 2, so if we pick 1, so we again lost the game. And for the next program, this program counts the number of positive numbers and negative numbers and zeros, and if we want to continue, we have to give the answer y. So for that we choose we determine ants in character, and other positive, negative, zero number in int. If we run the program and give positive number 15, then the positive number entered is 1. For the next program, we are finding the octal equivalent of the given integer values. It is n1 and n2 are input. So if we n1 is the input. If we enter any number at n1, then the remainder of n1 is taken, and oct is equal to oct plus remainder into power 10 comma p. The formula is used to find the octal number equivalent to that of the integer we given. So if we give 54, then it is 66, then if we give 69, then it's 105. If we give values lesser than 8, then the same value is displayed, such as the 5, and if we display 12, it's 14. For the next program, we are determining the big, small, and then we are determining the range of the number of values. That is, we have to give a set of we have to first initialize the range of the set. That is not the range, the number of elements in the set. Then we have to enter the numbers one by one, so that the program could print the range of the set. So let us give 5 numbers in the set, and let's enter number 21, 54, 69, 32 and 85. The range of the given set of numbers is 64. is displayed on the screen. These numbers are entered in the set. If we give we can give the set values whatever we want, and the range is equal to small plus big. And for the next program we are going to print the prime numbers between 1 and 300. For this we need int I, and n is equal to 1. N is lesser than or equal to 300. I is equal to 2, while I is lesser than n. If n modulus I is equal to 0, then we would break, because anything divided by 2 is not a prime number. Else I plus plus, if I is equal to n, print percentage d slash d n and n plus plus. So here the prime numbers between 1 to 300 are displayed. From 1 to 293, every number from the every prime number from 1 to 300 are displayed in the output. In this program we are going to print the combination of 1, 2 and 3, the every possible combination of 1, 2 and 3 in a 3-digit number, that is like 111, 112, 113 and 121, 122, 123 and 131, etc. from 111 to 333, every possible combinations of 1, 2 and 3. So we initialize I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1 and k is equal to 1, and we use 3 for loops for I is equal to 1 and I is lesser than or equal to 3, and we increment I, and we do the same for j and k. So if we print I, j and k, the numbers are displayed as per the 111 to 333. In this program we have to print the tables up to the 10th value of any table that is given as input. For example, if we give 2 table, it prints up to 2 tens or 20, and it can print any of the input numbers up to 10 values. That is, if we give 17, it prints up to 10 17s or 170. Let's run the program. So if we enter the number 18, then the table up to 18 is 10 is printed. So if we enter 5, it's up to 50. If we enter 62, it's up to 620 is printed. And here in this program we are going to enter the amount, principal amount, the rate of interest, and the number of years, and the compounding period to find the total amount. Here we use power, so we use math.h header file. We use a for loop for I is equal to 1 and I is lesser than 10 and I plus plus. Here there are 4 values, Q, R, N, P and A. For principal amount, rate of interest. For the principal amount we can enter 15,000 and the rate of interest 10%, and the number of years 5 and compounding period 15. So the total amount is displayed, and let's again enter some other value like 20,000, 25. Number of years is 4 and the compounding period is 3, and our total amount is displayed on the screen. for this program, the number of subjects failed by students and who gets grace mark are printed. If the subject is less than or equal to 3, then the total grace mark they got is multiplied by 5 into sub. The total, if the sub is less than or equal to 2, the total mark grace mark is 4 into sub. Else no grace mark. If sub is equal to 1, then the student get 5 grace marks. If the class is entered wrong class entered is displayed as default. If we enter 3 and 2, then the no grace mark is displayed as it's in the else statement. If we enter 3 1, student get 5 grace marks.